Now we are getting a new question where we have to do the integration of cos of 5x plus cos of 4x, and in denominator we are writing it as 1 minus 2 cos 3x. So basically you will use a formula which is called as cos c plus cos d, and that should be written in the numerator. We will not do this thing in denominator. So here we will write it as cos of c cos of d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2, and cos of c minus d by 2. Now we will apply this one in the integration. You will write cos of 5x plus 4x divided by 2, and 2 is outside, we will take 2 outside, and you will take 5x minus 4x divided by 2, and denominator 1 will be written as it is, or we can also change this one, but right now we will write it as it is, such that it will be written in the basic form. Done. Now we can add 5x and 4x. We will write it as 9x, and 5x minus 4x, which is equal to x. So we can write this value as 2 into cos of 9x by 2 cos of 5x minus 4x is x by 2. And if I want to change this cos of 2x, and here we are writing 2, so we will write cos of 3x in the form of cos of, we can say that key, we can write it as cos square 3x by 2 minus sine square 3x by 2. I can write it like this. We can also change this one into 2 cos square 3x by 2 minus of, we can say 1. Now we will put it here. We will write 1 minus 2 times of 2 cos square 3x by 2 minus of 1, and here you will write dx. Now we will expand everything. You will get this one as cos of 9x by 2, and this one will be written as cos of x by 2, and denominator one will be written as 2 into 2, which is 4, and cos square 3x by 2, and we can also multiply 2 with minus 1. You will get this one as plus of 2. So basically you will get the answer as 2 times of cos of 9x by 2, and here you will write cos of x by 2. Once you will write the next denominator one, you will write it as 3 minus 4 cos square 3x by 2. Now we are having 3, we are having 4, so there's a chance that we can change this one into the form of cos 3x form. So for that, what we will do, whatever is written here, we will multiply this value with cos of 3x by 2. Once you will multiply this one with cos of 3x by 2, you can multiply and divide cos of 3x by 2. Now what we can do here, we can write 2 as it is, cos of 9x by 2 will be written as it is, cos of x by 2 will be written as it is, cos of 3x by 2 will be written as it is. But if you will see the denominator one, you can write it as 3 cos 3x by 2 and 4 cos cube 3x by 2. So basically the denominator one is written in the form of 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta, which means we can write it as cos 3 theta. So everything will be written as 2 cos of 9x by 2 and cos of x by 2, and the last one is written as cos of 3x by 2, and denominator one will be written as cos of 3 into 3, we can write it as 9x by 2. So 9x by 2, 9x by 2 will get cancelled to each other, and you will get the integration which is written in this form: 2 cos x by 2 and cos of 3x by 2. Now if you are getting this thing, then we can apply the formula for 2 cos c cos of d. So we can say if I'm writing 2 cos of C cos of D, I can write cos C plus D. Okay, in cos C plus D, if you will expand, you will get minus sine C sine D, which means the next one should be added such that the negative one will get cancelled with the positive one. Now we will get this value. We will write 2 cos x by 2 plus 3x by 2, that is equal to cos of x plus 3x, which is 4x, and divide by 2, which is 2x, and then x minus 3x, which is minus 2x, divide by 2, which is minus x. So here you will write it as plus of cos of x, and you will get this integration with dx. Now we already know the integration of cos x, which is sine of x. Now what is the integration of cos of 2x? We will write it as sine of 2x. So the basically we will write it as 1 by 2 sine of 2x and sine of x and plus of c. So this is the final answer that you will get. Hope you have understood this question, where we are using the basic concept of trigonometrical identities, okay, to solve this problem. So hope you have understood each and everything, each and every steps, all the formulas that I have written here that are very much important to solve this problem. So if you really like this question, please subscribe to my channel. I will provide you this kind of question in many of the videos.